Okay guys, today I'm showing you a funny video. My dog just follows me everywhere. I have this Oreo in my hand. Look. I don't. No! Okay. You're just coming. So, I don't want to do that. I want to oh my god. That was weird. Oh shoot! Remington! It's Maurice. I don't know why I said that. Hey! Skedaddle! Carry on with that. Okay. So, how's your day?